Yo everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So it's been forever since I've done a proper makeup haul, as in loads of stuff that I got all together so that I could show it to you all at once rather than one thing. Anyway, this is a MyMallBox order that I'm about to show you guys. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for following me. Hope you don't get bored. And secondly, MyMallBox is a forwarding company that I use to order makeup from the US, meaning I pay dollar rate. So for somebody who has to pay, who lives in the UK, and with the exchange rate with the pound, meaning that I actually end up saving money. And what I do is I tend to place orders with various different companies, American sites, send it over to MyMallBox where they place it all into one package. This is the package that I got, pretty big. And then they send it over to me. This way I avoid things like customs charges, extortionate delivery charges that we would get, for example, if I was to order direct from Anastasia Beverly Hills, for example, and send it over to me in the UK. Now, there is a way that you can reduce customs charges to almost nothing with MyMallBox. When you receive your order, there is a received section and you will see the customs price in there, and I reduce it to the least amount possible. Now, I did get a customs charge with this. It was £15, and that is because one item in here was so big and so heavy. If this one item hadn't been in here, it would have been a zero customs charge. So it does happen. However, you need to see it from a different perspective and see the bigger picture. If I had ordered this item, which I'm about to show you, on its own, I would have got a customs charge just for that rather than for the entirety of this order. So in the long run, you do end up saving a lot of money. Now, the thing that I'm going to show you that costs so much, my God, was so heavy, is this. It is the Blood Sugar palette from Jeffree Star. This is his Valentine's collection. I mean, it came out just before Valentine's Day and everybody got it after Valentine's Day. But anyway, look at this. This is so heavy. It's not leather, I assume. I don't know what this is made out of, but it's some sort of leather replica, faux leather, heavyweight box, Blood Sugar. I will do a separate review and swatches of this actual palette itself, so don't worry. Just for now, because it's a haul, I'm just going to show you what I actually bought. So you have to flip it open like a briefcase, and inside, woohoo! Love it. Oh my God, it's gorgeous, it's beautiful. I cannot wait to use it. I did not buy the androgyny palette. I don't know why. I was just like, meh. Whereas these shades are so typical me, and I know a lot of you will be like, oh well, there's so many shades similar out there, so many palettes similar out there. Yes, there are. Don't buy them. That's it. Really. But I really like the shades that they've got in here. These, I'm very much going towards more oranges and pinks these days rather than your typical browns, and I really like the fact that a lot of those colors that I like are in here. So I'm looking forward to using this. But this is the reason I got a customs charge. Yeah, this is not travel friendly, by the way. It's huge and it weighed so much. It took up most of the space in this order. So that is another thing that I want you guys to be aware of, that when you do order from MyMallBox, bear in mind what you're ordering and how heavy it may be, and that may be the actual thing that bumps up your customs charge significantly, or actually gives you one at all. So I also ordered a bunch of eyelashes from Lilly Lashes. Now I have been known to wear Lilly Lashes in the past, but I don't know about you guys, I find the lash band to not be that thick, and because of that I find the lashes fall apart quite quickly, and I don't really feel that that's acceptable for a £30 eyelash. Huda Beauty lashes to me are the best. I love them. They've got a thicker lash band, meaning they hold the lashes longer and they last me a lot longer as well. But what Lilly Lashes did, Lilly Gallici is the one who owns Lilly Lashes, she did this special collection. It says on here, for Sephora collection, where she did her most popular eyelashes but at more affordable rate. I don't think that they are, it says the perfect 3D foam mink lash, but from what I saw online that they aren't foam mink. I'm not sure, but there is a reason why they are cheaper, but I can't remember. So as opposed to spending £30 or $30, they were actually $9 each. So I got the classic styles, Miami, which is my favorite one, and I actually bought two of them, I think. Where is it? Here, I got two of the Miami ones. They're the ones that I tend to use the most. And then I got this one, Mykonos, which is one of her hugest eyelashes. I think Jaclyn Hill's a big fan of this one. I got these two in the style London, because obviously from London, baby. And then this last one in the style Havana. So I'm looking forward to using these. At the time I bought them is when they just launched and they all sold out straight away, which is not surprising because like they were like $9.99 as opposed to like $29.99. But I think they have been regularly restocked, so do keep an eye out for those. I bought direct from Lilly Lashes. It's been a while since I bought anything from MAC. Oh my god. So they just came out with these new Hyper Real Glow highlighters. And yes, they are coming out in the UK, but I genuinely just could not wait. I was just like... And MAC.com actually does ship to MyMallBox. I don't think they know yet. No one tell them, yeah? Because all these massive companies like Sephora, Tarte Cosmetics, SteelerCosmetics.com do not ship to forwarding companies. MAC hasn't clocked on yet, so let's not make it too obvious here. But I got both of their highlighters. They're both called Hyper Real Glow. And this first one that I got is called Get It Glowin. So this one is more kind of a gold, a rosy pink shade and a more champagne-y shade. And then this one, which is a slightly more deeper in tone, this one is called Flash and Awe. As in A-W-E, Awe, not O-R, Awe. I know my accent confuses people sometimes. I've got a London accent. I wouldn't necessarily call it an English accent because depending on where you are in the country, you've got different accents. So I've got a London accent. So Flash and Awe. But yeah, I will definitely use these both and review them because as I'm showing you this haul, I actually just got this stuff yesterday. So I haven't had a chance to actually use anything from here. Now the rest of the stuff I'm going to show you is from Colourpop. No surprise, I always order my stuff from Colourpop. I got a whole bunch of eye stuff. I actually have nothing lipstick based to show you, which is shocking, but it shouldn't really be considering I know you guys know how much lipsticks I actually do own. So firstly, I got these two shades. This is Walk of Fame and Moonlit. These are restocks. If you've seen my Supernova eyeshadow review, I will link it below for you guys, or just do a search. I think it was a couple of months ago that these first came out. These are the more affordable version of Stila's Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadows. They're like $6. I actually got these on an offer. I think it was like 30% off or something. So I only just got them now. And then I can't remember what collection this came from. This is when Colourpop messed up my order and they actually did not put these in my order. So I had to contact them again and they had to send them. Colourpop, you lot are rubbish. When it comes to orders, sometimes I don't know how many times I've had stuff left out of my orders, stuff missing or stuff broken. But anyway, they did send them to me, so I've only got my hands on them now. The shades Mothership, UF-Woah and Running in Orbits. So clearly something universally related to the stars and space or something like that. I don't know. And then they recently released a whole bunch of duochrome ones for the spring and summer. I bought all 5 of them. Here they are here. As you can see, they're very light, pale duochrome colours, perfect for spring. So the shades that I got, this one here is called Lucky Penny. It's like a white with like holographic shades in it, gorgeous. This one here is called Prelude. It's like a champagne with like gold and pink reflects in it, duochrome. This one here called Over Again. Oh my god, it looks like a mix of orange and pink. What an amazing mix. This one here is called From the Valley. It's like a lilac mixed with white. Oh my god, so unique. And then this one here is called Now or Never. It's like a greyish silver. Another really odd shade, but very unique. And then there was also, I think they released some highlighters, cream ones, but I don't really like those. They also released a little eyeshadow palette. This one is called Pretty Much. Very cute, and it's got 6 shades in it. Really nice colours. I cannot wait to use this with these. And then I also got 2 of their Super Shock eyeshadows. This shade is called Hello Goodbye, and this one is called Set to Stun. So these are 2 kind of, let's see if you can see it from here. It's like a coppery orange shimmery shade. This is an ultra glitter. So the way that they show up in the pan, ultra glitters, is not necessarily the way they show up on the eye because they're glitters. So whilst they are packed into the actual pan itself, on the eyes there will be a lot more sheer. So they act as really nice toppers. And then this one here, Set to Stun, is also an ultra glitter. It looks like a rosy gold, deep rosy gold shade, but more on the rose sort of side, obviously. So that's it. Oh, it was quite a quick haul, wasn't it? But yeah, just decided to show you guys a bunch of stuff that I got. Obviously, I will, like I said, I will review the Hyper Real Glows for you guys, and I will review the Blood Sugar palette. I think those are the more important things for me to review, whereas the other ones, follow me on Instagram at Charlena, where you can see me using all of these, because I always like to put up almost daily looks of new makeup that I have bought and different ways to kind of create different looks, just to give you guys a little bit of inspo if you're interested. If not, that's fine. So that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.